Hi everyone, welcome back to Priya's Tech Show. This is Priyankara, your trainer for this IT tips series. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button that I feel happy for that. So without wasting much time, let's start today's session. This is Bob. He shares his every action to FB. He shares his picnic photos, his birthday photos, family photos and many more things. One day, he got a phone call from his wife. She asked him that why he shares some inappropriate content, like pornography images to his FB account. He shocked that and he searched his FB and got to know that someone has shared such content to his phone. Now he realized that someone has hacked his account. After that, he came to see Priya's Tech Show to get some advice to stop these incidents in future. So he got some valuable advices. So I am going to share those with you. First, if you use your FB account in a public computer or public area like internet cafe, then you need to be aware that there is no keylogger installed with your PC. So please check with the PC properly. Number 2, check any camera focus in the keyboard. Then someone can rewind and see your password later. Number 3, always use browser's private browsing feature. So I did a video about that. Please see that video for more information. Number 4, use a strong password. I showed Bob how to change his password to a strong one. Number 5, use two-factor authentication. To reset your FB password, go to your FB page and select Settings on the top of the window. Now click on the Security and Login. See, you can see your login devices. They are showing the location. Now look closely for that area. This option login, click edit. So put your old password and retype your new password twice. That password should be a strong password. So first step is completed. A strong password is not your name, your friend's name, your family member's name, or a common name. Not your date of birth, not a dictionary word, not like your previous password or not a keyboard pattern, such as QWERTY 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. You need to put a mixed password. It should be a meaningless word, number and symbol randomly and at least 15 length password. It is better mix uppercase and lowercase with the special characters. Let's see how to use two-factor authentication with your Facebook. To do so, go to Settings and Security and Login. Select Use two-factor authentication and click on Edit button. Now there are two methods, using authentication app or using text message. It is better use that authentication app method. If you use text message, you need to set up a phone to get the SMS, verified SMS. When you click use authentication app, it needs your Facebook password. So please type the password and click submit. Now you will see a QR code. Then you need to install some third-party authentication app for your phone, and you need to scan that code with the app. So it will create your Facebook account and it will show your password. After that, you need to enter this password. After enter, you are done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.